And so while we're on the subject of tripods and plates, I found this model several months ago, and I printed it. I printed it out of ABS, and it fits this tripod. It fits this tripod right here, which I really enjoy, this tripod. And it fits, and it clamps down. And as I was setting up to film this, I tightened the gimbal that I have on attached to the phone, and I tightened the base plate down, and it broke. It cracked. It snapped. It's got a fracture. And it's on this side right there. See that little white line? Little white line right there. It actually split. Now that's with the layer lines from the 3D printing, but so why is this a big deal? I've been having an ongoing discussion with a viewer, Robert Burton, I think. I've been having an ongoing. So why is this a big deal? I've been having an ongoing discussion in comments with a viewer, a follower, a subscriber, about why don't you just print with PLA? This is ABS. ABS is supposed to be stronger. The machine is the X1E, which stands for engineering. It's got a heated plate, it's got a heated chamber, it's got the ABMS, which is also, I don't remember if it's heated or not. Regardless, that doesn't matter. They just move stuff around, and I use it. If I run out of one spool, it feeds from the other. So this is an engineering-based machine. It's supposed to print heavier duty materials so that I don't have a problem like this where it splits. A best practice with 3D printers is, well, a lot of people are impatient, so they'll print and they immediately want to pull something off. No. You print it, you let it cool, you let the box cool, you let the machine cool down, and it tempers the material. This is a tempered piece. This is one of my early pieces. It is considerably, I mean, it's a much stronger material than PLA. Regardless if I didn't use a smooth plate, I kind of like the texture look on this. It worked. It adhered. It did everything it's supposed to. But it separated at the layers. So the other option, instead of printing it flat like this, which is where it fractured along the layers, I'd have to print it standing up like this, which seems silly. So I may move to a different material just to give it a shot. And it didn't break. I heard it crack. I can see a fracture. It didn't come apart. I did not over crank it, so I am not one of those people. So we'll try again at a later date and experiment with this. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.